Now, Adya is the English teacher today. She will teach you a rhyme. Are you ready, Adya?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay? ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನಲ್ಲ ಆಗ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ರೆಡಿ?
Yes, teacher.
ರೆಡಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್?
Yes, teacher.
ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಯ.
1, 2, 1, 2. In and out. In and out. 3, 4, 3, 4. Up and down. Up and down. 5, 6, 5, 6.
Let
Left and right. Left and right. 7, 8. 7, 8. Front and back. Front and back. 9, 10. 9, 10. Now more sit.
Now all sit down.
Now all sit down.
Now take rest.
Now take rest.
Now take rest.
Now take rest.
Okay. Claps children.